Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading. This is for July the 14th to July the 17th. Reading, Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. I'm seeing here na parang ngayon medyo since nakapagsalita tayo, no? Since na-voice out natin itong ating mga nararamdaman, whether it is, sabihin na lang natin not voicing out, but parating natin yung gusto nating ipakita, sabihin, no? Whether through actions or voice, no? Probably you did something, no? Na parang enough is enough. If you don't want to be with me, no, I would rather live my life alone and probably, look for another lover, right? But I am seeing here because of your, sabihin natin yung pagiging matapang, yung courage, no? I feel like many risk ka dito eh. Either the connection per se, no? And even you're risking sabihin natin yung pagkikita ninyo, no? Pero sinabi mo, I don't like what you're doing, no? Again, whether that is a verbal or whatnot, no? Or through action. Parang sabi mo, I don't like what you're doing. I think it's better if we can cool it off, no? We can call it cool off, or probably I'd rather leave, no? I think now, whatever it is that you said or you want to convey, no? Sabihin natin na unti-unting nagsisink in. For a few numbers of you, there's really a separation here physically, no? The person might, or you might be in a different barangay, a different home, no? A different barrio, no? City, state, county, country, different continent, no? It doesn't matter. Or probably medyo yung energetic separation, nag-lessen tayo ng pakikipag-usap, no? Hindi natin siya ngayon masyadong pinapansin. There's a tower moment in here. There's actually a disagreement with the Five of Wands. And it kind of make me feel na meron ng discussions na nangyari, no? It might be an aggressive discussion. It might also be, something that you just expresses, di ba? Pero meron kayong hindi pinagkasunduan. I think that right now, because of you actually left the connection, I think na parang nayanik siya, no? Parang sinasabi niya, oh shit, no? Nawala talaga yung ginawa talaga ni Scorpio. I think that your person here at this very moment, no, na nandun siya sa gitna ba ng, kumbaga, should I approach? Should I let it be? Pero the mere fact na inalis mo siya sa comfort zone, no? I feel like ang lakas ng impact mo, no? Siyempre, no, kung hindi ka importante sa tao, kapag nawala ka, parang tuloy lang ang buhay. Although sa kanya medyo nagpapatuloy nga yung buhay, pero nandun yung parang hindi na ako sure ngayon sa mga decision making ko kasi parang nawala yung rock, no? Nawala yung source of happiness, nawala yung source of courage, nawala yung inspiration, kumbaga. With the Tower moment, the Devil card is here, and the Queen of Swords. So I feel like that you actually stand your ground. Um, ipinaglaban mo lang, no? Itong iyong karapatan, no? And it kind of make me feel that it's also hard, no, for you to risk the connection, pero you don't also want to stay in a connection na lagi na lang away-bate, away-bate. So, I think you made a right decision for choosing your happiness, kesa nga naman, no, na i-prolong natin itong away-bati na to, no? Kung doon din naman siya mag-e-end, might as well tapusin na natin dito. So yung natitirang time, baka yun yung time na yung nag-heal na ako. And actually, that's your I mean, pat on the back on that. With the Page of Wands and the Empress, I feel like meron tayong mga bagong ginawa, no? After the separation, either you did your nails, maayos na yung kuko ko. Kasi the last time meron akong chipped, no? Either nagpagupit ka ng buhok, nagpakulay ka ng buhok, you change your appearance, no? Binago mo yung mga pananamit mo. It doesn't matter, no, kung lahat yung ginawa mo or one of those. To the extreme na baka, yun nga, we go under the knife, no? So may mga enhancement tayong ginawa. And no judgment. If that works for you, that works for you. If that make you feel better, good job. Wala naman tayong tinapakan na tao dyan. We're not against enhancement. Or baka iniisip mo, no? Magpa-cut eye kaya ako ng pilik mata. Or literal, alam mo yung cut eye, yung pinupul yung mata, no? Yung parang mala Catriona Gray, yung ganyan. Or kapal kaya ako ng labi. It doesn't matter. Magpa-inject kaya ako ng luta, no? Yung iba sa inyo nagawa na up to that extreme. Yung iba, nandun tayo sa mga, yung mga pagpapaganda, no? Ayan. I think that as of the moment, you're also moving forward, no? Slowly but surely, sabi nga dito, hindi rin naman ganun kasi ka-bilis, no? Magkaroon, makamove forward sa lalo na sa isang relasyon na talagang treasure natin, di ba? So, let's check some other cards here. Kung gusto nyo palang manalo ng ating free reading, no? Manood kayo hanggang dulo. The Six of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, Six of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, it makes me feel also that parang ngayon, naiisip niya, no, meron ditong mga, sabihin natin, yung panghihinayang ba, no, regrets of the decision making. Kasi parang dito sinasabi ni person na sana pala nag-give in ako, sana pala nag-surrender na lang ako, sana pala hindi ako nag-cross ng boundary, no? Sana pala mas naging mabuti yung trato ko, no, kay Scorpio, no? Sana binigay ko na lang with the Nine of Cups kung ano itong request, no? Now it felt like whether this person, the page, did I see the Page of Wands? I feel like I saw the page here, the Page of Wands. So I feel like your person is either ini-stalk ka, no, sa social media, so nakikita niya na parang you are moving on, you're kind of happy. Whether you are bothered inside, it doesn't manifest, no, hindi niya nakikita, parang nahihilo siya at nawiwindang siya. Bakit? Tinutuon niya talaga, no? Tinutuon ni Scorpio yung mga yung moving forward. Nine of Wands, I feel like your person, even though somehow na the person is kind of mad, no? Sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi ayaw din niya na mag-give in. Pero somehow mad siya kasi parang gusto niya ring i-open na, no? Yung sarili niya na, oo nga, no? Mali yung decision making ko. Um, so ngayon na pagtatanto niya, ang nakikita ko dito medyo yung nag-charge siya ng courage, no? Para at least maka-move forward siya sa'yo, para at least um, kumbaga, kung hindi ka man niya ini-stalk, baka meron tong mga information no, na nakakarating sa kanya or pinagtatanong pa rin niya. But I am seeing in here with the Ten of Pentacles, ito nga yung parang sasabihin niya sa'yo na, you win. No? Susuko ako, sumuko na ako, sumuko siya sa pakikipagmatigasan no, sa'yo. So, hindi ka pwedeng makipagmatigasan kay Scorpio. No? Scorpio may be a small creature, no? Pero hard shell yan. And, isang sting lang yan, no? Scorpio looks fragile. Pero, apart from being dangerous and fatal, no? Kapag kinatok mo yung shell niyan, napaka-matigas ang bungo niyan, no? So, mas naunang nabasag ang bungo niya kesa sa'yo, no? So, nandito na nga siya. What I am seeing in here is, your person here made a wrong decision. Medyo na nagsisink in na, no? Sumsuko na si person and babalik siya to finally tell you na, oo, tama ka, no? May pag-amin, no? May pagtanggap ng pagkakamali. Pero sa ngayon, nandun pa siya sa, ay nako, no? Yung ganun. Pero lalambot din itong, mababasag mo rin. Kung parehas kayo nag-uumpugan ng ulo, no? I mean, mas mauna siya mababasag, no? I need you to help me. So I feel like this is your person telling you, no? Na parang sinasabi niya sa'yo na, let's say, pag dumating na siya doon sa realization of, oo, ako yung mali, oo, ako yung, I need you to help me to fix myself, no? I want you to also be there for me while I am, sabihin natin, inaayos ko yung sarili ko, no? I need your guidance. I wish you were mine. Or I wish you were mine again, no? What I am seeing in here is there's really some, yung sabihin natin, yung pagnanasa, no? Na makuha kang muli. Ayan. Sige, request pa kayo ng sobrang Tagalog, ha? So, pagnanasang makuha kang muli, no? So, Scorpio, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng person mo. What I am seeing here is Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, no? What else? So, ayan. Yep. Yan. Did I say Pisces? Yeah. So, yan ang iyong reading. So, paano nga ba, Scorpio, manalo ng free reading kasi may paraffle tayo, di ba? Nandyan pa rin kasi yung sabihin natin yung fake account, no? So, kaya tayo late ng pag-post ng reading. Of course, I'm taking actions on it, no? So, madami na rin akong kinakausap, nagtatanong-tanong na rin ako, I need to go sa certain office, no? So, kaya tayo nalilate na apektuhan yung, syempre, tao ko, kailangan ko rin magpahinga, di ba? So, nakita nyo naman yung boses ko, no? Parang, padating na ako dun sa pagkakasakit, no? Plus the fact that medyo masakit na rin yung ulo ko dahil sa mga nangyayari, no? Kasi nga, nandiyan pa rin yung fake account and madami-dami na rin yung nagre-report sa akin na nabibiktima nito. The worst part is gamit niya yung logo, no? Somehow the name, kasi it's Babaylan TV din, no, naglagay lang siya ng underscore. And then I have a video na doon sa account niya with my face on it. Um, it kind of, it's an identity theft, no? So, paano nga ba manalo? Nandun na naman tayo. So, I want you, kung gusto niyo sumali, no? Tulong na rin sa akin to. And in return, no, magpaparaffle ako. I-report nyo yung account. Nandun siya sa description box. Tapos, nasa baba nung fake account, no, nandun po yung email. So, lagyan nyo po siya ng screenshot. No? So, mag-screenshot kayo, tapos send nyo. So, it doesn't matter how many times, basta at least iba-ibang time. No? One screenshot, one report, one entry. No? And then, pag napuksa na natin yan at natigil talaga kasi it requires mass reporting. So, bubunot tayo ng winner, no? In return of your kindness din naman. So, Scorpio, again, this is your reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, Babaylan TV po. Meron din po tayong mga readings doon. So, might as well check on it. Pwede naman po kayo magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, no, sa comment section. And kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, no, doon pa lang kayo pupunta sa ating link sa description box. Ngayon, nandun po lahat ng legit na information. You know, how much per question, you know, the QR codes, modes of payment, and the numbers so that you can match. Apart from that number, it's not me. So I also created a discounted, promo of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it if you want. And kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail na ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, no? This is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.